Oh, hello, 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 and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hello, let's let a few people join us because this is huge for us, guys. Absolutely huge, what I have to tell you tonight. We've got two massive, massive announcements for the company, for Paranormal Electronics. All right. And I'm going to give you a slight little preview of something that's going to be coming up over the next couple of weeks as well. So, hello Dean, hello John from True North Paranormal. Hello Mandy, hello Shirley. Absolutely, yes, we're all well there. Look. And hello Kelly Fordham, hello guys. Share this out because this is big. I want a lot of people watching this tonight because I have some huge things to show you. And I am just going to get my share screen ready with you, which looks like everything I was going to share is actually just closed down on me, which is fine. Yes, I had a haircut. Yes, I had a haircut, Dean. Absolutely. Absolutely loving the fact that I have not got a mop head anymore. Absolutely. Hello, Tim. They're watching on YouTube. Hello, Sue. Hello, Roger. Right then. Guys, we have a huge, huge thing to tell you. Now, there's two huge things to tell you. And I'm just going to open up everything I had opened up earlier on, because it seems to have closed on me. So give me 2 seconds. I am here. I'm literally just opening all of this up. And then I can tell you exactly what news we've got for you guys. And trust me, we are going to be celebrating this. It is big and it has a massive impact on what happens when you guys, one of the news has a massive impact on how you can order from us. Guys, this is huge. This is the big one, guys. And it's very, very exciting. So the very, very first thing that I am going to let you guys know about is a slight rebrand for us, guys. So we're still going to be called Paranormal Electronics Limited. That's never going to change. But what I'm going to do with you now... Oh, Dean. Oh, would you like to know at the moment? Right. So, guys, I'm just going to share my screen a sec. Then I'm going to turn it off. Oh, yeah, then I'm going to turn it off a sec while I get up what I need to get up. There we go. Right then, so that's all ready to go. Right then, guys, I'm going to share my screen now. Say hello to Remy, our brand spanking new ghost. Our new logo, guys, our new mascot, Remy the Ghost. So say hello to Remy. He's now going to be our little ghost. Casper is being replaced. It's been a long time coming, guys. Although, obviously, we got the agreements there in place with Universal and that. Hey, we've got our own ghost that is solely done by us. So say hello to Remy, guys. Woo! Which also means we have our new logo going up, guys, on the 1st of May. So this is going to be our new logo. You know, it's a lovely Remy there in the middle. Okay. So there's not going to be that much of a change for people on this announcement here on what you're going to see. So Remy the Ghost, guys. Remy the Ghost. Let me go back onto StreamYard and remove that. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we've got a brand spanking new ghost. Casper is going. We've had, well, we've been trying to plan it now for about 3 to 4 months. We've had a couple of artists, and the lovely artist has done this for us. She is absolutely amazing. She's in university, and she's done digital design and everything like that. So, hey, she is absolutely amazing, and she's designed that for us, solely for us. So no one else in the world has got this one. And that's what we needed for our next stage that we've got going on, guys. our next stage, right? Oh God, building up to this. We're building up to this. How long have we been on? Only 5 minutes. So guys, this, right. We truly do want, and obviously our philosophy when we started up was to bring affordable equipment at amazing quality to everybody around the world. Okay, and we want people to be able to afford every piece of equipment out there. Okay, so our philosophy when we started up, we are paranormal investigators ourselves, and we found that everything was just way too expensive, which is why we set up on a kitchen table, making a couple of SLSs, and then finally, obviously, creating the company, which we are now the biggest affordable ghost hunting equipment store in the world. Now, truly going global now, guys, because in USA and Canada, as of the 1st of June, we are opening up another branch of our company, guys. So there is going to be Paranormal Electronics North America open up on the 1st of June. Brand new website as well. That's going to obviously be tying both websites together, and any orders now that's going to be from the 1st of June onwards in America and Canada can actually order from their own site over there, and that means, guys, you can get things quicker. Customs are going to be next to nothing between the UK and the US, guys. So wow. I mean, that is just amazing, guys, and it's just absolutely great. The other thing that we are going to be doing later on during the year, we're going to be leaving that around about 4 to 6 months. There will be a Paranormal Electronics Australia open up, guys. So that is another huge thing. We are truly now taking affordable ghost hunting equipment global, guys. But the huge announcements are we've got a brand spanking new ghosty on our logo from the 1st of May, and we are opening up the North American branch on the 1st of June, guys, and that is just wow. No other equipment store in the whole of the world has more than one branch and has branched out as much as we're doing, guys. So everything you see on our store will be available, barring a couple of things, obviously, that obviously we're waiting on supplies here. But hopefully by the 1st of June we'll be on top of those. But everything that you see on our store now will be available on the North America site, and they will be stocked up as well. Okay, guys, so absolutely amazing. So if you're watching right now, I can show you. So if I add this back in, sorry about the long thing. This is going to be the new logo. Woohoo! So it's going to be Paranormal Electronics North America. The American and the Canadian side, they're coming together and creating what is something truly great for America, guys. And we have had various backlash from other places in America that has got wind that it may be happening, and all I can say there is I think they're getting some squeaky bums. That's an English saying, that is, but it's squeaky bum time for them, guys, because like over here in the UK, and obviously we've been sorry, I'll look at the comments in a minute. Like in the UK here, we have gone from nothing to a huge outfit here in such a short space of time. So, guys, if you're in America and obviously Canada, then please support the new website. There is a Facebook site that is set up already, which is Paranormal Electronics NA North America. Paranormal Electronics North America, guys, go over and give that page a like. It is exactly a branch of Paranormal Electronics here in the UK, and it's just making it very much easier for all the American and Canadian customers there to order. And we understand, obviously, some of our very loyal customers over there in America and Canada will probably still order from us, but we can then ship it from that that store for them. Okay, so guys, that is amazing. So let's have a look at a couple of your comments there. That's good for the international peoples. Absolutely, we truly are going to take Paranormal global, guys. We're going to go into as many countries as we possibly can, obviously in stages, and bring everybody what they deserve, which is affordable paranormal equipment, affordable ghost hunting equipment, guys. Well, I guess James is going to be working a lot more. Yeah, he's felt the pressure. He's felt the pressure the last couple of weeks. We've been working overtime, making sure that we've got both stores going there. I would agree with your Casper ghost on your UK flag. It will be look good. Smile. Absolutely, absolutely. Have you come up with a design for the cage? Yes, I have. I have come up with that design. It is on this computer, which we're on at the moment. I will get that over to you just as soon as I can. I'm actually not in the office this week. No, me and Emma are actually going away this week, so it's great to get some time off and enjoy some sun as well. When is the Parabolas on sale? Not sure what you mean by the Parabolas, Tim. We have a Parabolas or the Obolus. Either way, Parabolas. That is for sale on our site. We're just waiting for the development boards to come in for that. Hello, Maxine. The new version of the SLS, is it the VSL? Well, guys, the new version of SLS, I can give you a little sneak preview. All right, I've been very much doing some. There we go. As a sponsored TV show, I want to personally congratulate both yourself and Emma on this endeavour. I've gotten to know you guys, and it's awesome to see you both succeeding. Yeah, likewise, John. You guys are absolutely amazing, and we're just happy to be along the journey with what's happening here. Guys, I have completed the printing stages for the V3 prototype, and the guys this week will be putting this all together and having a fully working prototype when I come back off holiday. But guys, there's parts of this that obviously I haven't put together. Literally, the printer finished yesterday, or late on with the finished article, and there's printers are working overtime there to now print more cases. But the V3 will be looking like this, guys. So the 4 holes in the outside here are going to be IR lights to make your night vision on your SLS far brighter, and obviously that means you can see more. All right. Now this one's the 360 version. We will be having the Xbox One sensor, the second sensor version as well. So this is going to be where you can choose the V3, the Xbox 360 sensor, or the Xbox One sensor, guys. And do you notice something? There's no tablet on this. That's because, guys, we've got integrated screen on our new SLSs. There is no need for tablets at all. We are building our own computers inside. This is going to be the very first purpose-built SLS, guys. And I've got to stress, purpose-built. It's not a tablet that's made to work with something. This is going to be purpose-built, guys. Look at that. It's so lightweight. It's amazing. All right, you're going to be able to turn your IR lights on and off. Your on-off for the actual main SLS there is going to be a push button where you do there, and the power you can switch off there. All right. On the side of the case is going to be your battery percentage monitor. Okay. I was just going to let you know exactly how much is there in there, and it's going to tell you when it's charging. It's going to tell you everything you ever need to know, guys. All right. So, like I said, there's going to be the 2 options available for our version 3. Guys, remember also when we say our SLS V1, SLS V2, SLS V3, it's our version of that. It's not the fact that because everybody else calls it one thing, we have to go along with that. All right. This is what we're doing. We are creating a new wave in the paranormal field anyway. So let's do that. So guys, I shouldn't have shown you this. You know, I've been told off by Emma this afternoon, but even considering it, hey, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys, because this is what is going to come out. I heard someone go, no, this is how you build an SLS. Now, guys, this is how you build an SLS. Absolutely. So the prices I think you're going to go with. I'm not going to release the price just yet. Like I said, here's the 360 version. Nice. You see how close we've got that on the sensors there. And obviously there's going to be the Xbox One version as well. And at the moment we're just going to have the normal 7-inch screen in there, which is going to be more than big enough for what you need. But there is also going to be a 10-inch screen option as well on these guys. So that is a sneak preview of something which we're hoping to go live on the 1st of June at the exact same time as the brand new North American branch being opened up, guys. So hopefully you like that. And there will be, like when we brought out the version 2, there will be the option for people to do upgrades or part exchange on their version 1s and version 2s up to the version 3, guys. So bear that in mind as well. We will announce all the final prices on everything. Be all the final prices and everything like that closer to the time, because me and Emma did sit down. I'm looking at my foot because me and Emma have sat down. We've cost everything out. We've come up with prices, and trust me when I say, guys, that SLS is still going to be cheaper than what some of the competitors are doing for their version 1s. Okay, we're all about affordability, guys, keeping things as cheap as possible for yourselves without obviously compromising on quality, and that is exactly what we're all about, as you know. And we get loads of stick for it, guys. You just don't know how much stick we get from competitors and their friends and their families all having a go at us, and all the paranormal sites that are buddied up with them and all that lot. And oh my god, I'm going on a rant now. I do apologize. But guys, we literally get so much stick here. If you see our review sites that we've signed up to, the majority of the reviews, trust me, are not even connected, never ordered from us. So guys, if you ever do look at our review sites, take it with a pinch of salt. We know the ones that are genuine, we know the ones that aren't, and trust me when I say you're probably talking 80 to 90% of them are not genuine. And trust me, paranormal equipment should not cost the earth. That is, like I said, why should it? Why should it cost you £500 for an SLS? I've seen sites out there that are doing that kind of price, or 450 quid or 400 quid. I could go on to a competitor's right now, and just so I know that I've got the right price, I'm going to actually scoot across there. There is one on our competitor right now that just for the SLS with tablet is, wow, that's taken me back a little bit. It's gone up a little bit. So £580 on their site, guys. And this here, which like I said, is going to be purpose built, isn't going to be anywhere near that price. It's going to be so much lower than that price, guys. So if you're thinking about buying one right now from a competitor and you're like, I don't know, wait for this. Wait for this, guys. You will not be disappointed. It runs so quickly because of the computer that we built inside, that's specifically built for us as well. And we will be updating that with, it will have Bluetooth as well, guys. Boom. There we go. I've told you now. It will have Bluetooth as well built into it. And we are trying to see if we can also give the option of integrating our Ovilus software onto the SLS as well. I mean, we will make this, guys, that you can make this the only thing you need in your toolkit. We did look to put a laser grid on the front of the SLS, And to be fair, I think that was just going too much. That was putting too much onto it. But it is a possibility, and we have looked into that, and we would be able to do it. But yeah, the design as it is, we didn't want to clutter at the front too much, so that's why we put the IR lights on the front for when it's on night vision. And obviously, that's both sensors can go on night vision. And look at that, guys. And people had we've had people saying that we do poor quality 3D printing. Can I just tell you, this case alone, just the main body, guys, is 16.5 hours of printing. Right there. That's one printer being tied up for 16.5 hours. And they have a audacity to say it's poor printing. All right. Now, if you have also been waiting a long time for your SLS, and you've been waiting a few months, we are now, obviously, like I said, going to start producing these and having these on the shelf. And we are going to give you the option of having maybe one of the new ones with the 360 sensor in, as you've been waiting a long time, guys. So I know a lot of you have. For a single cell, could you make a printed clamp system for a single cell 18650 torch holder that could be glued or Velcro fitted to the side of the SLS version 1 and version 2? Yes, I can. To be fair, yes, I can. Hi, Justin wants to know why he cannot comment but can still view. He just wanted to ask you. I received the complaints letter, absolutely, but nothing has gone. Nothing. We haven't done anything wrong with that. Like I said, his replacement tablet is waiting here in the office for him when he wants to come in. Let's do that. Right then, yes, Raymond. I can 3D print that, absolutely. I can design the holder there for a torch to go on the side. It might fuck up my beautiful design though, so I might cry when I do that, but absolutely I can. So guys, just for anybody that's just joining us, just to recap, we have a brand spanking new ghostie. We have Remy the Ghost, guys. Let me just put him back on the screen. Remy the Ghost from 1st of May. He is going to be our little mascot. He is replacing Casper. I loved Casper. But yeah, Remy the Ghost, guys, he's going to be there. All our tops and stuff are obviously, we have to change absolutely everything, all the signage and that, which is absolutely perfect. Not only that, guys, but Paranormal Electronics North America is opening up on the 1st of June, guys. There will be a massive lead up of all the campaigns and stuff like that, so people are aware of it. But share it out. If you know someone in North America, share it to them. Absolutely share it to them, and I'll see what we can do, but what we can give you guys as a little reward for going over and supporting them in their first couple of months, guys. All right. So yeah, absolutely go over and like their Facebook page. Let me just go back onto there. Like their Facebook page, guys, because absolutely, if you can support that store in its infancy, then guys, you are going to bring all of the paranormal equipment prices down across the whole of the world. They're going to have to bring them down and make everything affordable. I love lots of IR lamps hanging about, as I use a lot of IR and with night vision when pest control around the farms and fields. Okay. Yeah, we actually obviously we're actually talking about doing bigger like floodlights, IR floodlights. And we've been looking at the little lenses for the front of there as well. Could oh sorry, I'm reading it like this. Let's do that. You could print a little ghost and spray it white or print whites for fitting on the SLS. Do you know what? I'm going to show you something what I've done this week, guys, and this is you're going to love it so much you're going to want to order it. I've done it for myself, but actually, if you like it, I'll put it on sale. Also on the 1st of May, so give me 2 seconds and I will just grab it from the shelf. No, Cheryl, you're not blocked for asking at all, just delete the comment. Because, to be fair, I had a massive chat with Justin, and like I said to him, the tablet's here for him to collect when he wants to. Guys, look at this. It's a gold Paralite. Wow, coloured gold Paralite. Look at that. Woo. So I'm going to put it in my box and I'm going to make this up. Guys, if you want me to put these ones on the store as well, let me know. Alright, that is absolutely pucker, as what the youngsters say nowadays, I think. Yes, I have had a chat with Justin. It was me talking to him the other night. So guys, absolutely, look at that. That is so... It is gold, guys. It is a golden colour. Look at that. So if you want me to do a limited edition of these, we can do. They are literally so lovely. So lovely. Absolutely. Right. So is there anything anybody wants to do, guys? Maybe we'll have a look at that the V3, or a little bit more to know about the North American site, or even another look at Remy, guys. Absolutely. We are so excited about Remy. Like I said, about four months. So Cheryl, right, okay, let's address this. Cheryl, there is a complaints procedure. The email's been received, it's being looked at, and obviously you get an email back and a reply back once it's been dealt with. That's the procedure. It's not an overnight thing. It was only received on Friday. Right. I'm partial to True North Blue. Absolutely. Absolutely. True North Blue, guys. Yo, from the Haunted... Whoa, hey! The Haunted Side are in the house, guys. Hello, Patrick. Hello. Hey, Patrick, I'm going to show you this. This is a sneak preview of the SLS coming out around about the 1st of June. Look at this bad boy. All right, this is a very sneak. These are going to be IR lights, Patrick. Okay. And look at that. Integrated screen. No more need for tablets. Whoop, whoop. Absolutely. There we go. So, Patrick, I'm sure you already want one, to be fair. I know he's been saying. As long as it takes, Cheryl. Right. Think I might be interested in the V3 if I can get a 10-inch screen. We are going to give the 10-inch screen option, guys. Absolutely. That's killer. Absolutely, Patrick. Patrick, seeing as you're here, I'll go over it. You need 3. Yeah, it is. I'm so proud of this one, guys. Like I said, it is purpose built. It's no longer sticking tablets on with sensors and I've done with that. This is going to look thingy. And the Parabolas, absolutely, guys. Our range is just growing, and I love it. Now, Patrick, something that's going to interest you a lot. Have a look at this, dude. Boom! Paranormal Electronics North America is opening up. Absolutely. Woohoo! So the website is going live on the 1st of June. The Facebook page, and I think all the social medias are being sorted, but the Facebook page is definitely live because we have our new ghost, Remy the Ghost. Absolutely. Woohoo! Actually named by Rachel from Retford Ghost Hunters. I sat there and I was going, oh, I need a name. And she said, what about Remy? Because you do the best REM pods. And I was like, do you know what? Remy works. Absolutely. Remy the Ghost, guys. And the Paranormal Electronics North America thing. So Dean, Dean. So Patrick is commenting on our YouTube, but it's all... No refund is offered on that one because the terms of the sale was the fact that we would replace the tablet, and I already said the tablet was not up to scratch, and I didn't want to send it, but I was forced to. So there's a new tablet waiting ready for Justin here when he wants to come and collect. Thank you very much, Cheryl. Right then. So sorry, just listen to what's been said to you already. Yeah. So if obviously you're commenting on Yeah, count to 10. Absolutely. It's not like I haven't already said it. Um, yeah, sometimes obviously there's a Facebook that we've got it on. We've got it on YouTube, and I think it's on Insta as well. So obviously you won't be able to see the comments on the different platforms, which is absolutely in Fahrenheit. Do you know what, Patrick? Yes, we have got the temperature things for the top of the REM pods now, where we're experimenting where they can switch up between degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is absolutely brilliant because I keep getting that. Absolutely. Uh, absolutely. So, guys, anything else you'd like to know? Oh, yeah. I will go over that again. So, didn't know you were live on other social medias. Absolutely. So, all the social medias we can do. That's it. Patrick, by the way, Bluetooth. This is going to be Bluetooth. Absolutely. And we're trying to see whether or not we can integrate our Ovilus software onto the V3 as well as an option. What more can I do? How much more can I put on that thing without it just blowing up? Honestly, they're not going to blow up. I don't know why I just said that. Yeah, you know what they say, though, don't you? It's the saying that they do. Never mind. But guys, that is amazing, and they work. The actual frames per second is just so smooth on it. The compute that we're putting inside is just so advanced. It's just amazing. Like I said, it's built for us. The little computer inside, and we program it to what we need. Absolutely. But Patrick, hi. What have you been? What have you been up to lately? I've been seeing some of your lives, guys. If you don't know, the Haunted Side, we sponsor them for all their equipment, and they're literally uploading lives nearly or their episodes nearly every single night. So they're loving it over there. Patrick there is just like, yeah, I'm just going to type away and I'm going to put episodes on. He's so busy. I literally catching 5-10 minutes with Patrick is like gold dust, absolute gold dust, guys. But go and check out their episodes. They got big things going on very soon, as well as obviously what they got going now, which is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Maxine said, okay, Patrick, Maxine says, hello. Maxine says hi. It's called work ethic. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. You know, oh, it's crazy. I think we're not one of us two have had a sort of 15-20 minutes to ourselves the last few months. So absolutely. So anyone else wants to know? Or we know we've got our new spirit box coming out soon with the reverb. And it's not the whole one where it stores stations and all you do is hear the station going through. Haunted Side says, hi, Maxine. Maybe I should put Patrick's comments up on the screen. Do you all see that then? Big fan of the Haunted Side right there. You could print a 3-dimensional Remy on a stand for sale, or a baseball cap, bobby hat with a Remy and Paranormal electronics printed on the front. Yeah, that is an idea which we are definitely exploring, and we're talking to the printers about for the baseball caps and the clothing to make sure we've got it at a good price. And the 3D printed Remy. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! So yeah, new spirit box that we've got coming out. Like I said, it's not going to be it's not the version which is what some of our competitors have got, where it stores channel and all it does is go from one channel to another channel. There's another channel that's stored. It is a sweet radio, which is absolutely brilliant. New spirit box with reverb sounds good. Hope you're well, mate. Absolutely, Paranormal Explorers. Very, very well. I'm very much looking forward to getting away this week and spending some time with the family, and not concentrating on work too much. Absolutely. Can I get like 3 dozen pocket plasmas? Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we've made our own on the spirit boxes. Anybody's ordered a PSP 7 as well, obviously we have got some coming in, and we will be given the option once we've completed our final stages, our final test on it, to have ours as an alternative. Where am I going? Well, because of COVID, we can't go out the UK, so we are just going down into one of the lower counties here in the UK. I'm not going to say exactly where because, you know, but yeah, very nice place around the Devon Cornwall area. Well deserved family time. Hope you also have fun. Absolutely, we do. Emma, let's delete exactly where we're going. Hi, Patrick, as well from Paranormal Explorers. Absolutely, there we go. Patrick, you are very popular. All right, mate, you are very, very. Emma did, yes, she did, didn't she? She put out exactly where we're going. One of them. One of them. So, guys, anything else you'd like to know at all? Now's your chance. Put a message up. Fair play, have fun. Absolutely, we will do. The little boy, obviously, we've got our 3-year-old, as everyone knows. We've got little Finley. We've got little Brianna, who's 3 months. And Finley, wow, we should never have told him we're going on holiday for a week because he's just been crazy for about 2 weeks. I wanted to say hi, Paranormal Explorers. Hi. I'm in a very happy mood at the moment. Very happy mood. So, guys, is there any equipment you would like to see on the store? We have a few, obviously, in the pipeline, but is there loving your second channel too? Patrick, is there something you need to tell me? Oh, bless him. Absolutely, he's been so hyper. Even getting his backpack on every single day going, oh, we go on holiday now. Like, no, wait. The Mystery Project. Okay. You've just had some. Just had some, but absolutely, we are shipping some more out to you anyway. Then, Patrick. Hopefully, you've used some of the new stuff on the show as well, and people have seen that, which is absolutely brilliant. What's the Mystery Project? That's what I want to know. Yeah, I started a true crime podcast series. Oh my god, is it like Miami 5-0 or whatever it really? Miami Vice or Hawaii 5-0? I just imagine you running around with a mustache. Patrick, get in line. Absolutely, we do take care of the teams that we sponsor. How many words are in the dictionary of the Parabolas? Very good question. Let me just have a very look. I want to give you an accurate answer, and I seem to have all the words here. So I select all of those. So we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 999 in there, 500 in that file. This is getting big in it. Another 500 in that file. We're looking at around about 8,500, if not 10,000 words now, guys, on there. And it's all narration. I go over cold case files and unsolved murders. Now that is wicked. That is very wicked. Yeah, we've added some more onto there, Ian, as well. So it's over 5,000 now. I'll have to give it a count one day. I just keep adding. You always ask difficult questions. No, it's just questions which I kind of answered in the past and then just totally forgot the answer. And I'm like, right, I'm going to try and give an accurate one. I know English. English, there are boom, boom, boom. So 9, 12 lots of 500. That's 6,000 English words now. It is amazing, mate. Do you know what? I'm going to go over and give that a watch, Patrick, and then me and you are going to have a little video call. We're going to tell me all about it, yeah? Absolutely. I'll tell you, man, Patrick is one of the busiest guys I know. Absolutely. Wait, how about Canadian French? Oh, God. Hey, Canadian is British. You can do it in British. But do you know what? I'm going to have to add a and for sure onto the evidence. I'm going to have to add those 2 words just for the Canadian customers. You must have missed the announcement now. Wow. Wow. Nice, very interesting indeed. I'm going to have to starve for a bit to get pennies from my pension towards a Parabolas. Oh no! I can't help with that too much. So Dell, the announcement is we have a brand spanking new ghostie. His name is Remy the Ghost. Remy the Ghost. That's going to be our new little mascot. Woohoo! And the same thing. So that's going to be 1st of May. That's going to be changing on all of our logos, all of our advertisement, and advertisement. And Remy is the one that's going to announce all of our sales and everything like that, guys. So Remy's going to be going crazy soon, absolutely. And now we've got a North America branch opening up on the 1st of June. Whoop whoop. Boom, truly global now, guys. We are multinational. And that is just the first step of branches opening up around the world. And then hopefully, guys, when we're doing more click and collects and we're doing things like that, you guys can actually walk into physical stores around the world and get your equipment. Absolutely. But our new logo here in the UK looks like that. It's so cute. I like little Remy on there. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's remove that from there. Right then, guys. What is it coming up to? Oh, 8:45 now here in the UK. It's 8:45 now here in the UK. I think I'm going to start heading off soon. I'm still here to answer your questions. If any of you have got any other questions, then feel free to ask them. I'm still going to be sticking around for a few more minutes just to answer your questions, guys. Oh, we got a few questions. Thingy. There we go. Anybody else got any other questions on any other equipment or anything like that? Obviously, we're going to give certain details out just because. Hey, there we go. Hey, guys, you've got to remember all of these SLSs that we do. There is not one heavy-duty battery in sight. It's all battery packed. It's all inbuilt, so you never have to buy batteries again, guys. You just literally charge it up, and then away you go. Simple as, guys. Simple as. Remember to keep them charged up, though, guys, every now and again. Every couple of weeks or so, give it a good 10-15 minute charge. Oh, pardon me. Just so the battery pack just don't go dormant, you know, like if you leave your phone in a cupboard for a while. And that's it. Ryan Cobb Scott, you should do a monthly giveaway, John. I should, but I think we'll get through the back orders first. I don't want to offend anybody by giving out any new equipment or any equipment when obviously we're still getting through the orders that we're backed up on because of the supply problem at the tail end of before the last ease up there. So absolutely. So yeah, I will do a giveaway, but not quite yet. It will be a little while whilst we just get through, which we are cracking through, guys. We are cracking through the back orders now. We are well and truly in it. Obviously, our tablet supplies have opened up. Our sensor supplies have started. Absolutely. I've got friends this end who can't wait to go ghost hunting with me again. Perfect. Actually, I just can't wait to get out myself and go proper ghost hunting and show you guys a few lives. You know, that's something which I want to do, and I want to show you a little bit and maybe show you some new equipment that we've got that we're testing out on that night, and you can see it for yourselves, and you can tell me whether or not you like it or not. That's the bonus thing there. Are the lights on your IR camera holders with built-in batteries now too? The old videos talk about power bank, and I own one already. Anyway, yes, indeed, guys. We are updating Yeah, we are updating our videos very soon. We are just about to film them. But our new IR lights, well, hey, sorry, thanks for that. Our IR lights now, which we've done for a little while, are literally, yeah, inbuilt battery pack, as you can see. You rechargeable via micro USB. We do supply the cable for that because it's the fast charger. You'll see this light. I won't see it with my physical eyes, but do you see how bright that is? Now that's been on the shelf now for a few days, but you know we fully charge them up, everything like that. Now the charge time on these, I've got to remember what my my solder had told me. So the charge time on these guys is about an hour and a half, and usage is around about 8 to 10 hours. We've made them far more efficient, absolutely. If I remember correctly, it's a year ago since I looked. Your competitors only had about 2,000 words in their dictionary, absolutely, and they've not expanded on them. As far as I know, obviously I've not gone into their libraries and stuff like that because that would be very unprofessional of me. But yeah, absolutely. But yeah, we've certainly got a huge library there of words, and that's the plus point for us. Okay, guys, off I go. Huge congrats again from True North Paranormal. Absolutely, John. And John is very much going to be involved that side on getting you guys to know. Looking forward to getting my kit soon. Absolutely, guys. It has been a very hard road the last few months, and hey, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. We have struggled for supplies like most people in the world. A little story that came out recently. Samsung, guys. Samsung, one of the biggest manufacturers in the world, have also struggled. And some of the stuff that they have, all the little chips and stuff they have in their stuff, we have in ours that we build. So, and I'm sure, you know, they can go and buy millions and millions and millions of these things, and they've struggled. Okay, so we're not alone. We know that. And little old us here over in the UK based, you know, all that lot. We love that. We've struggled. That's the way it is, but we've got through it, guys, and we've got through stronger because of you guys supporting us. And we could not have done it without you. All right. It is nice to see that, although through all of that, you know, sales are not slowed down. You know, obviously people will be waiting a little bit longer for stuff, and that's regretful. And we'd prefer, obviously, that they didn't. But we just have to go, here's the honest stuff, and there we go. So, guys, I am going to shoot off because I'm actually starting to just mumble on now, and I'm sure you don't want to listen to me. But yeah, absolutely, guys. New Ghost, Remy the Ghost from the 1st of May. And then on the 1st of June will be Paranormal Electronics North America. I don't even know why I just said True North. I looked at John's comment. So Paranormal Electronics North America launching 1st of June, and hopefully we have the SLSV3 over to them as well, and have it all launched and perfect. All right. So any new products that we launch then from now on will be on both stores and available on both stores from the date that obviously we announce it is going to be available, or available for pre-order from those stores, and we make sure the supply is there. So guys, thank you very much for coming along tonight. I know it's a Sunday night. I know we were supposed to do this last night. We had a few family things to sort out. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. And I am going to go. I am going to go now, guys, because like I said, the last thing you want to do is listen to me droning on. So guys, thank you very much for joining us. And whose words shall I use tonight? There we go. John's words. Keep it creepy.